students. Hope you are well at home. So I was just teaching you all about the rotation and revolution. Yes, movements of the earth. So what is the shape of the earth? You must have read it in the class 3rd. What is the shape of the earth? Yes, the shape of the earth is round. Yes, the shape of the earth is round. What is this? This is a ball. This is in shape of a earth. It is little bit pressed at the top and the bottom, and it is little bulged in the both the eastern and western side. So our earth is also of the same kind. Our earth, what is the color of the earth? Did you see? It is blue in color. Why is it blue in color? Because most of the parts are covered with water. So it is blue in color. It is the only planet where the water is available. So the people or the living organism can exist on the planet Earth. Now we are having the days and nights. When we sleep, when it is dark. When we get up, when it is day, we get up. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But who is making these things to happen? Are we? Whenever we are going by a bus or by a train, we can see that moon is running along with us. Did you observe it? Do you think the moon is running with us? No, it is not. But because we are going, we feel that the moon is coming along with us. Or maybe in the morning time, you feel that sun is all the time behind you. Yes? So, this is nothing. They are all in their same places. This particular earth is going round and round and round, and this particular earth, it moves on its orbit. This is the orbit. It is moving along its orbit. Imagine this as a sun, and this particular part, so our earth is going around the sun. So when it goes round and round, yes, we are having the days and nights, and we are having the season. Suppose this particular ball, what we are imagining as a earth, it takes one complete rotation. Then it takes nearly 24 hours to go round on its orbit. This is a orbit. It is going on the same path. Yeah, this is the same path. So this particular 24 hours is known as day and night. So because of the rotation of the earth on its own axis, we get day and night. Remember, rotation is nothing but because of the earth moving on its own axis around the sun is called rotation. Then one more is we are having seasons. How many seasons are there? Especially we are having the summer season, we are having the rainy season, and we are having the winter season. Yes. So as I said, this particular earth is going round. This will take one full round. Yes, the complete round when it takes now, it will be having the season. It takes 365.14 day. Yes, to complete one revolution, to complete one whole circle, it takes 365.14 day, and because of this, the seasons are caused. Once in 4 years, we are having in a year how many days? 365 days. But once in 4 years, we have 366 days. What is that 366 days? That is called the leap year. In that particular year, February will be having 29 days. So, the children who are celebrating the birthdays on February 29 will have their birthdays once in 4 years. You can enjoy a lot that time, right? Okay. So, this particular things, the seasons are caused because of the revolution, and the days and nights are caused because of the rotation. So, this 1/4 day, we cannot consider that 1/4 day, right? In a day, how many hours are there? There are 24 hours. And when you divide this 24 by 4, so what will be your answer? 6. 4 6 are 24. So 6 hours we'll be calculating for each day. So this one year we calculated 6 hours. For the next year we'll calculate again 6 hours. For the again third year we are calculating the 6 hours, and for the fourth year we'll be completing again 24 hours. So that fourth year will be having 366 days. So these particular things are the effects because of the rotation and the revolution. Now what are the effects of rotation? Because this particular, we are having sun rises in the west, east, and sun sets in the west. But the earth, it is going the opposite direction. It will be moving from west to east. Now this is my north, my south, then east, then west. So sun rises in the east, sets in the west. But what about the earth? It goes from this side. That is, it moves from the western side. So only we can see that sun is rising in the eastern side. Okay. This is only because our earth is going round from west to east direction. So these are the effects of the rotation and the revolution. Suppose if at all you are having a torch at home. Yes, you are having a torch at home. You just see the ball. Yes, you are having this ball. You are having the torch. So what you have to do is put the focus. Yes, this is the earth, and put the focus on this. If you put the focus, what happens? You can see the brighter side here, and what will be here? It will be dark. So the places which are on this part will be experiencing the day, and the countries which are experiencing this or are located on this part are experiencing the night time. In the same way, still your torch is on, your earth is moving on its own axis. So what happens now? This torch which was experiencing the darker now has come to the day, and the places which were on the day had come to the night side. They are experiencing the night. You can also imagine, or you can just ask, can any of your relatives who are in maybe America and all, you can ask them, if at all we are having morning, there they will be having midnight. It may be 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock there, or maybe even again more than that. So we are having this time difference because we are all situated in different parts of the world. So the effects of rotation and revolutions are clear to you all. Now when we are saying the effects of rotation and revolution, you should also know our earth is not having the exact circle. It is slightly tilted. So you can just see this, it is tilted. I had shown you the example, the sun. This part is the day, this part is the night, and when it again goes round in this way, the portion which was here will be coming this side and this portion will be going at the back. So the days and nights are caused, and because of this particular line, yes, this particular line, because of NP and SP, this is called the tilted one. It is the tilted one. It is the inclined axis. Okay. So as I said, we are having, as I was just talking about the equator. Equator is situated at 0 degree, right? So because we are having the inclined axis, it will be going on that same rotation, same orbit. So the places which are directly receiving the sun rays will be having very hot summers, and the places which are far away from the sun, they'll be having the cool climate, and the places which are from Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn will be having a slant rays, or they will be having a moderate climate. So this is about the rotation and the revolution. Now coming the next, we are having the seasons. As I said, we are having the seasons. So the sun will be in the same place, whereas our earth will be moving to complete one particular revolution. So because of this revolution, we'll be having the seasons. It may be the summer, it may be the rainy, it may be the winter. So this, because of this particular revolution, we are having the seasons there. So this is about your rotation and revolution. So go through the lessons properly, whatever the things are there. 2 parts are given to you all for the lesson rotation and revolution. Go through the both the parts to understand more about the rotation and revolution. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye-bye, students.